Let's talk about how to recover your hacked Instagram account without any email, phone number, or any password. To do this thing, you have to have your Instagram application within your device. If you don't have that application, go to Play Store, App Store, then go to search bar. Now type and search Instagram. After you have downloaded and installed the Instagram application. After that, you have to open your Instagram application like this. After opening, you will get this login interface. Here, since we don't know our email or phone number, as well as hacker has changed it, you have to select this option called Forgot Password. Tap Forgot Password. Then you will redirect to Find Your Account page. Here you have to enter either your username, email address, or mobile number. If hacker has changed your mobile number and email address, you can try out with your username. If hacker has changed it to new one, you can ask help from your friend. Like this, you can enter your username. After entering, tap Find Account. Then you will get this kind of error message. Here I got no account found. Sometimes they ask enter your last password, or they will send a login link or code to your email address. If you don't have access, or if you don't remember any of your passwords, as well as if you can't find any account, so we can no longer use our Instagram application. Instead of using Instagram application, open your default web browser. It doesn't matter which browser that you have, open your default web browser. We're going to recover our Instagram account through the browser using the web version. Like this, open your default web browser. After opening, tap the search bar, then type and search Instagram login or www.instagram.com. After searching, you will get this kind of search result. Here select the very first search result. Then you will get this Instagram login interface. Like earlier, you don't need to enter your phone number, email address, or your username. You have to tap Forgot Password. Now on this page, they ask to send a recovery link or recovery code to your email address. Since we can't access our email address, we can't use that option. I will show you. If I type any username or any email address, they will enable this send a login link. Since we can't access our email, phone number, or any other recovery method, you have to tap Can't Reset Your Password option. Select this one, Can't Reset Your Password. Then you will be redirected to Instagram Help Center. Now you have tap the search icon. Now type the word hack like this. I will type hack. Then you can get some prediction like this. Here either you can select hack account recovery or hack account. Here I will select the third one, hack account. You can type and search this word. From the result list, you have to select the third one if you think that your Instagram account has been hacked. Select the third one. After tapping, you will be redirected to this page. Here you have to make sure you are using the mobile browser help. If it is not, tap that one. Then you have to select in the pop-up window mobile browser help. After that, you will get this option. So to go forward, tap visit this page in blue color. Then it will be reopened in another window. Here, now they ask to open or go forward with your Instagram application. In the pop-up window, you have to select Open App. Then it will be reopen your Instagram application. You can see it here. Now they ask another question. Why can't you get into your account? Select the first one, my account was hacked. After that, you have to tap the next button at the bottom. Then you will get another account identify window. Here, you have to enter your email, username, or your phone number. If hacker has changed your email and phone number, you can try out with your Instagram username. If hacker has changed it to new one, you can enter the new username here. After entering, tap the next button. Then you will see this recovery window. Choose a way to recover your account. If you have access to your old or new email address, you can select to reset your password. But unfortunately, if you don't have access to any of these email, phone number, your WhatsApp, or any other recovery method that they have mentioned here, you have to recover it. To recover your account, you have to select the last option, try another way at the bottom. So tap try another way in blue color, then you will get this request support window. Here they ask a question, why can't you get into your Instagram account? Now see the third one, my account was hacked. After selecting, you have to tap the next button at the bottom. Then they will offer two options. If you have already uploaded some photos and videos to your account, you can go with the first one. As well as if you didn't upload any of your real photos or videos to your Instagram profile, you have to select the second one. In this video, I will talk about how to do that thing just using the first method. If you use a fake account or if you didn't upload any real photos, I will showing how to do that thing in another video. Otherwise, this video will be much longer. So if you want to know how to do that thing using the second method, you can find the video link in the description. It is better if you can check it out if you didn't upload any real profile pictures to Instagram profile. So if you have at least one real profile picture or any photo or any post or video, you can go with the first one. Select yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. After that, tap next. Then they ask you, how can we reach you? Here you have to enter a new email address. Don't enter your old email address. You have to provide this email address to get further information, recovery codes and instruction. So enter a brand new email address or enter any email address which is not connected to another Instagram or Facebook account. Like this, I will enter my new email address. After entering, tap the submit button. Here in this window, they ask to verify your email address, as well as they have sent a verification code to your new email address. So go back to your email application. Since I provide a Gmail account, I will open my Gmail application. After that, you can see there is a new email from Instagram. Like this, you have to select the very first email. After opening, you can see there is a one-time confirmation code. Once you use this code, you can't use this code again. Like this, you have to copy this code to clipboard. Take a long press, then tap copy in the pop-up window. After that, that code will be copied to the clipboard. Then you have to go back to your Instagram application. Then take a long press in the blank space, or you can tap the number on your keypad like this. Then it will be pasted. After that, tap the confirm button. If you didn't receive any code, you can get a new code by every 60 seconds. Now you have to verify this account really belongs to you. To verify is, you have to submit a video selfie. So you have to hold your phone at the eyes level. Then tap the next button. After that, you have to allow this camera access. Tap allow button at the bottom. Then in the pop-up window, either you can select while using the application or only this time. Then you have positioned your face in the circle. Then they will provide all the instruction to move your head. When you are moving your head, it will be automatically capture your video selfie. After that, you will get this kind of message. Thanks for providing your info. Then they will review it within 24 hours. Then you have to go back to your contact email address. Since I provide a Gmail account, I will open my Gmail application. After, you can refresh your news feed. Then at the top, there is a new email from Instagram. If you open that email, there is a link to reset your password, or you can tap this reset password button. After, they will redirect to your Instagram application. Then they allow you to create a new strong password. After creating, tap the reset password button at the bottom. Then you can log back into your hacked Instagram account. This is just one way to recover your hacked Instagram account. If this method didn't work for you, you can try out alternative way. I will put the related video links in the description, or you can click this end screen video and come on over. As well as if you want to recover other social media accounts too, you can find all the videos on my YouTube channel. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Later.